is my last video, guys, and let's pack our things and no more videos. Let's go to move this away first. This. Oh. And let's go this one. Pack our things here. Oh, it's not gonna work. And this and this, guys. Oh, I'm gonna miss you guys because I'm not gonna create any channel anymore. And my little windmills here. And we have here my glasses. And the last one. This is crochet. Sorry guys, I'm holding my tablet and my little bracelet here. And let's put it in the room. Bye bye guys, and I'm gonna miss you guys ever again. Okay, let's go have this in my bag.